Hi Famies, I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. It's been a minute, I know, and I'm sorry, okay? I'm just passing by, checking coast of course. Today we are doing a very quick, sweet and quick and short meal. Potato salad. It was a quick meal. Everybody was hungry, okay? Everybody was hungry and we had to make a plan, right? Boil your potato aside. These are my ingredients. Some few things to add a little bit. That white thing, it's a pie, it's a pear, right? It's a pear. I saw a very old pear. Like, girl, come over here. Then with different types of sauces, of course, you can just put any sauce of your choice. Throw in your boiled potatoes inside. A little bit of cottage cheese for taste. Mix everything together. Then voila, we are done. All right, we are done. We didn't have time to do sauces, therefore hence we added almost everybody or everything inside. Of course, we had it with beetroot and fish, right? And fried fish. So without any, okay, sorry. What did I just say? I don't know. It's been a minute. It's been long. So thank you very much, Famies, for watching. More content. It's coming. We have been busy and I've been shooting a lot of content. It's just that the editing part. Anyway, thanks for watching. May God bless you. Bless your children. Bless whatever that you touch.